Ladies and gentlemen, you know what that means. It is time for another Into the AM shirt haul.
The way it hugs my athletic build.
And let's go ahead and talk about this. You're like, Chris, they all look the same. Well, we're going to talk about that right now. Alrighty, we're looking absolutely fantastic. Now, folks, the reason why they are all the same is Into the AM is having a pack and bundle sale. And that sale is going to be running from today, February 17th, to February 24th, 2026. These are the basic tees. We're going to try these on. Don't you worry about that one. But top link as we get started in the description box below, top link as well as the pinned comment will be the link to take you over to Into the AM's website where you guys can see the packs and you can score over $50 in savings by shopping the packs and bundles. Depends on which one you choose. So again, that is top link as well as the pinned comment in this video. Let's get on into it.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's take a look. This is the basic tee that's available in the packs. This is the branded. I personally like the branded one. It's the Into the AM logo, as we can see right here. And something about these shirts. Now, I have a bunch of these shirts already, and I was able to get the 6-pack. That's 6 shirts in the pack. Take advantage of the sale. It's actually a really good deal. This right here is the heather color, and it's absolutely phenomenal. It's kind of like a salmon a little bit, but they call it heather, and it fits absolutely incredible. So let's go ahead and get you down a little bit and show you what it looks like. I am 155 pounds, athletic build. I'm wearing my jeans right now. Let me back it up. I'm wearing my sandals as well as my Into the AM beanie. All right, butting in real quickly here. Now, I just described my weight and athletic build, but all these shirts are going to be size medium for my build. Again, 155 pounds. I am 5'8", athletic build, and they fit beautifully, hugging my muscles, draping down just beautifully. Again, 5'8", 155 pounds, athletic build, size medium shirts, all of the ones you're going to see. Looking absolutely fantastic because obviously beanies don't have to comb the hair. You know what I'm saying? For video purposes. Plus it's Into the AM and I wear this beanie all the time. But what I love about these shirts is, let me just go ahead and just drop the microphone just a little bit so you can kind of see. As you can see, I am an athletic build, but it just hugs the muscles. Now this is not washed, and if you are wondering, there's nothing on the back, so let me turn around here. And there again, this is a basic tee in the pack just with the logo. They do offer non-branded and V-necks as well. They also offer other packs as well, so take a look at those packs with that link once again after the video is done. Heather color. What I love about their tees, they sit really nicely right here. Now this is 60% cotton, 40% polyester. I want to tell you that just because it will maybe shrink just a little bit because there's 60% cotton. But if you are a person that doesn't like polyester, and I'll be honest with you, I don't really like polyester, so I'm just giving you a heads up about that one. If you're in that camp, then check out my other video of all their graphics tees. I literally have them in the drawer right here. I've been wearing them all the time. 100% cotton. But just letting you know, all the tees I'm going to show you in this pack branded basic crew neck are going to be 60% cotton, 40% polyester. But again, they hug very, very nicely. Now, all these shirts will be the same, super, super soft, hugging you right out of the gate, very durable. I have ones that I've had for, oh goodness, I don't know if we're going on quite 2 years, but it's been maybe even 2 years. It's been a long time since I've had my original ones and love them. All right, let's throw on another one. All right, this is the cream color, and it is really, really nice, especially with my lighter color pants. Looking absolutely spot on here. Let me back you up a little bit so you can kind of see what's going on here. I got my light color pants on. Yes, I got my flip-flops on. I'm back in Colorado. I am not in San Clemente anymore, out on that beautiful balcony. It is a little windy and cold outside, so that's why I'm doing it indoors in my bedroom right now. But same fit, fits absolutely fantastic. Super soft. Look at that. Just shows definition, hugs your muscles, nice and tight on the waistline here. This again is the cream color. This is very, very sharp. I really enjoy this color, especially with the lighter color jeans right here. I really enjoy kind of not so popular colors, so to speak. Like, you know, don't get me wrong, I like the blacks, I like the whites, but again, cream and heather color, definitely thumbs up in my book, especially the way it hugs. Okay, here is Midnight Navy. Let me drop my microphone here so you can see this. Beautiful color right here. here, forgive the shadowing, but midnight navy looking absolutely sharp. Branded logo, beautiful. Midnight navy. Alrighty, here is gray. Gray with the black logo right here. Looking absolutely spot on fantastic with the build, with the athletic build. This is the gray. This is indigo. Let me back up right here. Indigo looking absolutely spot on fantastic. Indigo once again looking sharp with the logo. I like the logo personally. On the wider cream colored jeans, beautiful. Indigo. All these shirts are size medium. I mean, I'm trying to stay humble, but the shirt, the way it hugs my athletic build, absolutely spot on fantastic. I mean, this is the charcoal, but just look at the definition as it just hugs the muscles. I'm talking, this is a nice, look at that charcoal color. Absolutely beautiful shirts. But not only because this is a review video and haul video, I am going to state one more time, if you are more polyester sensitive, you're like, Chris, what does that even mean? I just prefer natural fibers like cotton over polyester, even though it's only 40%. I'm just giving you a heads up on that particular one. If you want more 100% cotton, then check out their new graphics tees. My last video, I'll link it in the description box below as well. All those t-shirts were 100% cotton. But again, if you want to get your hands on the basic tees, check out their packs. Top link in the description box below, as well as the pinned comment. Again, I have other shirts by Into the AM, basic tees just like this, branded logos. I've had them, love them. They're durable, they wash up, they feel great. But just remember, just like all my videos, please don't go into debt for anything I am making a video about. But if you do have the cash and the shirts do intrigue you, please check out those links below. Also subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, as well as tech-related videos, DIY house project videos, and more. My name's Chris, and I will see you on the next video. Take care for now. Bye-bye.